Accomodarsi, to sit down to take a seat. Addormentarsi, to go to sleep. Alzarsi, to get up. Lavarsi, to wash, to get washed. Annoiarsi, to get bored, to be bored. Arrabbiarsi, to get angry. Chiamarsi, to be called. Chiedersi, to wander. Divertirsi, to enjoy oneself. Farsi male, to hurt oneself. Fermarsi, to stop. Perdersi, to get lost. Perdersi, to get lost. Pettinarsi, to comb one's hair. Preoccuparsi, to worry. Prepararsi, to get ready. Ricordarsi, to remember. Sbrigarsi, to hurry. Svegliarsi, to wake up. Vestirsi, to dress, to get dressed. Sedersi, to sit down. Sentirsi, to feel. Spogliarsi, to undress. Addormentarsi, to fall asleep. Truccarsi, to put on makeup. Farsi la doccia, to take a shower. Laurearsi, to graduate from university. Diplomarsi, to graduate from school. Allenarsi, to work out. Impegnarsi, to work hard. Ubriacarsi, to get drunk. Farsi la barba, to shave. Innamorarsi, to fall in love. Lamentarsi, to complain. Stressarsi, to get stressed. Innervosirsi, to get nervous. Ammalarsi, to get sick.